Senior women aging gracefully. The world of hair loss. Have fun with wigs. Today's discussion, for those of you that are brand new to wigs, is what is a lace front wig? A lace front wig has lace up going all the way around the crown of your wig. It looks like your own scalp, of which there are fibers, synthetic fibers, that are growing out. So what that does, the lace front wigs, make your wig look all the more your own hair, right? Let me show you what it looks like. This is a lace front, I can see here. But also be mindful that after a few wears, the lace front might start lifting just a bit. But there's an easy solution. There's a product that I got on Amazon, and you can get anywhere. It's called Body It Stays. It's a body adhesive. It has a little roller ball, and all you do is roll it up all around where your forehead is. But be very mindful because it's really sticky. Learn from me, because I ended up getting, I'm such a doofus. I ended up getting hairs from my wig and my own hair all cut up, and it was just a mess. So next time I did it, I put on the glue. Then I put on my wig on top. But before matting it down, I actually used a soft cloth. And then, I would mat it down. Then I would style my wig. It's just a lot easier if you do that. Just be aware that it's very sticky. And then when you want to take it off, a little dab-a-doo of water and it lifts up. It's very, very easy. Now, I just recently learned a company, a designer called Envy. I purchased a wig from them that does have what they call a double lace front. Let me show you. You see how this is made? This double lace front, I'm not sure if this is new, but boy, I was able to wear this wig 10 different times, and there is zero lifting of the lace front. It's not fragile like the other wigs. It's really pretty solid. So I guess if I understand in reading about it, it's like double lace is like two lace fibers as one, and then with the fibers, synthetic fibers growing out. So be mindful of that the double lace is really very, very strong, and you will not have to get into all this body glue stuff and trying to mat down your lace front. But it's still, to me, worth purchasing the lace fronts, only because it just makes what you're wearing in a wig, it just makes your wig look all the more natural. Have a great day. Please put in your comments, what are some products that you might use to help keep or mat down that lace front if it should lift? Have a great day.